Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Hyaluronic Acid Ordinary. Apply to damp skin immediately after cleansing to lock in moisture. Gently pat the serum, do not rub, so the product layers effectively. Follow with a moisturizer or sunscreen to seal hydration. Use morning and night for consistent results, and avoid mixing with strong acids in the same routine to prevent irritation. Keep it simple and gentle for best results. Start with a gentle cleanser and pat skin damp, but not dripping. Apply a small amount of serum and press it into your skin with light tapping motions. Let it absorb for a few seconds, then follow with a moisturizer to seal everything in. In the morning, add sunscreen as the final step. Keep routines predictable and consistent for visible improvement in skin texture and comfort. If your skin feels tight after use, try applying to more damp skin or follow immediately with a richer moisturizer. Be mindful when layering actives, alternate strong acids or retinoids on different nights. If you experience redness or burning, stop use and consult a professional. For very dry climates, consider sealing with an occlusive product. A gentle, steady approach helps your skin adapt and thrive without overdoing it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.